Hi, my name is Millie from Miller Technology High School, and this video is about PEAL, a way to help me write better paragraphs. Each letter in PEAL means something. Today, our PEAL topic is why pollution is a major problem for our planet. The P in PEAL stands for point. It means to say or state your main idea in one sentence. It's like the topic sentence. For example, pollution is a big problem in our world today. E stands for evidence. It means give a fact, example, or quote to support your point, to help the reader believe your idea. For example, many animals die each year from eating plastic in the ocean. The second E stands for explain. Say why your evidence is important to help the reader understand your thinking. For example, this shows that pollution is dangerous for wildlife and the environment. The L in PEAL stands for link. It means to finish the paragraph by linking or connecting your idea back to the topic. Keep your writing smooth. For example, so we must act now to stop pollution and protect our planet. So use PEAL to write clear and strong paragraphs. It helps you to organize your ideas by making a point, giving evidence, explaining it, and linking it back to the topic.